In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Axiom Pro. Now, the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It has a lot of different premium features completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker, a great Twitter tracker, a P&L tracker. It has a reward system, which basically gives you Solana back just for trading. It has a turbo mode for faster fills and transactions. You can set your own presets and then your own fees as well. They have a lot of different amazing filters for meme coins, etc. So again, link down below, check it out, you won't regret it. Now, on here, if you actually want to connect Phantom, this is going to be quite simple. First, you want to go ahead and you want to click on your profile icon top right, and then click on Account and Security. Here, you want to click on Manage Wallets next to Wallets. Now, alternatively, you can also go to Portfolio up here and then just switch to Wallets. This is going to do the exactly same thing. Here, what you're going to want to do is click on Import, and then you're going to need your private key from your Phantom wallet. So, you can have it on your phone or, of course, as an extension like me. And if you have an extension on the phone, it's going to be similar, by the way. Click on your account top left, and then click on Manage Accounts. Select your account, and then click on Show Private Key. So once you do this, you will again have to enter in your password for your, essentially for your wallet over here, and once you do that and press continue, it will reveal your private key. Copy it and paste it in here, click Import Wallet, and just like that, you've successfully connected Phantom Wallet to Axiom Pro, and you will see it over here as another listing. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.